Welcome to Where's Lara Now? Where am I? I'm at home. And my daughter Aurora, my beautiful wet daughter over there. Anyways, she's been very busy today, taking off probably 70-year-old varnish off of these tables that I believe came from Hawaii, if the family lore is correct. They were brought over by, I believe it is my grandfather. Anyways, these three-legged tables here. We're gonna start to stain them.
So I just go for it?
Go for it.
Ouch, my knees.
We're staining at Kona.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Just like that?
Just like that.
Do I add more?
Sure. I've never stained before, but sure.